welcome to WakeUpIndia.tv. Benami Law, Income Tax Act, Narendra Modi and No Confidence Motion. The No Confidence Motion has been proposed by the YSR Congress against the NDA government on the issue of not granting special category status to Andhra Pradesh. Telugu Desam Party has declared support for such a motion along with the several other opposition parties. It is surprising that YSR Congress, having 9 members in Lok Sabha, has the audacity of bringing no confidence motion against the majority government of BJP-led NDA. In the circumstances, it appears that there is a greater conspiracy, and unless there is a tacit support of some of the members of NDA, including BJP, YSR Congress would not have dared to bring no confidence motion and become guilty of wasting the precious time of Lok Sabha. The root causes, which no politician would admit openly, is the Benami Law in its present avatar. The politician who became the first victim of the Benami Law was Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. The next victim would be Mr. Chidambaram amongst others. It is a matter of common knowledge that almost in all politician parties, including BJP, there are politicians who have amassed wealth disproportionate to their known source of income from 1988 to date. After seeing the plight of Mr. Lalu Yadav, they all got scared. They are all scared of the fact that all their ill-gotten wealth, which they have amassed during 30 years, will be confiscated by the Modi government apart from the consequent penal action. The very thought of grounding of the financial empire by the Modi government that they have created during last 30 years send shivers up and down their spine. Their very existence is at stake. This shivering has brought them together. They have hatched an evil design to get rid of Mr. Narendra Modi by bringing no confidence motion. They are of the opinion that the BJP MPs who have Benami properties will do the cross voting and they would be successful in their nefarious design. They would be comfortable with any other Prime Minister except Mr. Narendra Modi because they know that no one else has the guts and moral courage to implement the Benami Law against them. Why corrupt BJP member would do cross voting? One has to trade off between losing membership of Lok Sabha for 1 year and protecting his ill-gotten wealth earned over a period of 30 years along with one's reputation. Obviously, sacrificing 1 year membership of Lok Sabha is a better bargain than losing wealth amassed over a period of last 30 years. Modi government has caught them off guard. Benami laws in its present avatar got the assent of the President on 1/11/2016 and demonetization took place on 8/11/2016. Hence, provision with respect of confiscation, 7 years jail and 25% fine are all applicable to the unaccounted deposit of old currency of rupees 500 and rupees 1000. The outcome of the inquiry investigation with respect to unexplained deposit of old currency of rupees 500 and 1000 shall start flowing in somewhere from the month of July 2018. Everybody, including Mr. Chidambaram, have no danger from Income Tax Act, because if you somehow manage to avoid any action from income tax against you for a period of 6+1 assessment years, then no action can be brought against you by the income tax department due to time bar. As such, they have protected themselves against the Qanun of India by ensuring that 7 assessments have passed. But Mr. Narendra Modi outsmarted them. He took the Benami Law of 1988 out of the graveyard, did the dusting, etc. and revived 1988 law by inserting 72 sections in it. Thus, any properties that has been created out of ill-gotten wealth since 1988 is hid by the present Benami Law. This act of Mr. Narendra Modi has taken them by surprise, and Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav became the first politician victim of the Benami Law. By reviving Benami Law of 1988, Modi government has caught them off guard. They could not have imagined the risk arising therefrom, therefore did not do anything to cover the risk arising from Benami law. People guard themselves by covering only against the known risk. The risk that arose from Benami law was not known to them. Why government is avoiding all party meets? They are disrupting the functioning of parliament so as to force the Modi government to call for all party meet that shall provide them the platform for negotiation. Mr. Modi is probably aware of this, therefore did not provide any opportunity for negotiation. Appeal to non-BJP members. In the circumstances, it shall be fair to make an appeal to the non-BJP members who do not possess any Benami properties. When there is a clash of parties' interest with that of a country's interest, it is our age-old belief and practice that the party should give way to the country. In the case in hand, even the party's interest is not at stake. Only interest of few powerful and corrupt members of the party are at stake. Please sacrifice the interest of such powerful and corrupt members for the sake of new corruption-free India. The citizen of New India shall salute you for your brave action of voting against the no confidence motion. When the time will come, citizen of India would remember your sacrifice and shall reward you in the ensuing election. Thank you for watching this video. Please do watch, like and subscribe our YouTube channel wakeupindia.tv. This is Anjula Mishra signing off.